Now let's make a copy of the outside of the house to use as a cutter to hollow out the inside of the house and create walls. Select the Move tool, then right-click on the house and select the Clone option. Ensuring the Move tool is still selected, click on the clone to reveal the moving gizmo, then use the up arrow Y-axis to move the clone up slightly. Select the Scale tool, and the gizmo will change to axes with cubes on the end. Scale the clone in the X and Z directions so that it fits inside the original prism. Make the Y-axis longer than the original prism. Click on the Move tool, then use the Y-axis arrow to move the clone down so that it extends through the bottom of the house. Select the Boolean tool. First, you need to select the object you will be cutting with. In this case, it's the inside prism. Ensure the Boolean panel is set to Cut and click on the Confirm button. Next, you need to select the object to cut the hole in. In this case, it's the outside prism, then press Confirm. You will be left with the walls of a house and should still see the foundation at the base.